Guys, what I got so far was only a little bit for my culture, but that's all I need. Oh, Mommy, I want to switch the chips. I want to switch the chips. Switch the chips. These. I actually put my chips. I actually had to eat these. So what I have is...
Oh look, these you put in the freezer and they turn into icy.
Ooh.
You want one of these? No,
Yeah.
not to take on your field trip, just to have it at the house.
Yeah.
You want one of those? I'll get there, the real one.
I got a lot of things.
That's the blue one.
Yeah, I got the blue one. So, and now we're... I know who you want. It's big. We're going to check out. We're just going to get my brother something to eat. And yeah. So you can't actually find what he wants. He just really wants candy and stuff. Oh, it's the real struggle. Okay, so we have some fish sticks and some ice cream. Look at all these chips. These are... I got a lot. This.
Go stand right there so Gino will see you.
Where? Gino. Oh. You don't know what you want? They got some Captain Booties, whatever that's called. Okay, she's not even in this aisle. She's right here. You want some cheese sticks? Of course, you're gonna get something sour. Oh, I just already knew I was gonna get this.
Excuse me. It's supposed to have 10 items. I don't have my 10 items. I don't even have 10 items. You sure it's 10 items? I don't even want it. It's on 10. You want me to put it by here? I'll leave it.
I love Captain Booties. It tastes so good. I think that's pirate booty. It says you're be good. You're me. They're actually good. So we just waited in line. And Gina's trying to do this flip things.
Now everybody asks me. It's 11.
We have lots of They actually have elevator and since it's my just gonna show you what I do. So I actually would skip the ad of this video, but let me skip on my phone. I weigh my own self 90 pounds. I gotta exercise. So, I actually have to do something that is really excellent fun. And yeah, we're just looking at cars and really not that much to talk about. So we got these slushy things. You put them in a freezer, and it's so cool because like when you put them in a freezer and they come out, it just like a slushy. How cool is that? So I guess it's like a little machine that makes it turn into a slushy. And so we're getting in the car. Baby, don't you leave. Don't be stuck here in the streets. I will never let you. I mean, all my all the best against you. I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this true. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Let's recognize I'm trying, baby. It's me everywhere. It's me everywhere.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to know. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you were a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon. But I know you need to get done. Come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got this trying to end me off. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling?
You better not drop none of that pussy in here.
You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and get me out of work. It's me work. You see me do it,
I actually love this song on the radio. It's like the most second song in the world that is so we're just over.
Well, Nasty, here we go again for another edition of Nasty's Nonsense. And yesterday, the Beyonce formation tour kicked off right here at the crib at Marlins Stadium, Marlins Park. 50,000 people to be exact. Nice. 50,000 people. And 47,000 of them were decked from head to toe.
How you're double jointed, right? I want to see if I'm double.
What say you, Nasty?
You're not double jointed, guys. This compared to what I'm doing. Put in the comments, is that compared to what I am doing?
Everybody was telling me different ways that they got themselves together for the show yesterday. And a lot of things,
So guys, we're going to be showing you how to be double
from white
jointed.
people and black people.
You can't be double
Very
jointed.
different. So I just want to expose 3 things that were different from.
Oh, did you use the E word?
I just want to expose it. That's it.
Expose.
That's it. All right. So here we go. Number
so
3.
what you
The top
have to
3
do
things
is-
that were different from white people as opposed to black people. Getting ready for the Beyonce show.
Friend, that's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's actually my mom's. So what you do is put your finger like this, and then like try to like do this, and then so Gino, you need to put your finger straight and do this.
White people, they got all their friends together. They took 1 or 2 pictures.
This.
You know what I'm saying? Now black people.
This, not this, not this.
Put on Snapchat. Oh, get ready for the Beyonce tour. In the barbershop. Oh, getting ready for the Beyonce tour.
It.
Got in the car. Oh, I'm gonna be going to the Beyonce tour. They documented the whole day.
Yeah, I think I saw the whole Beyonce tour on somebody's Snapchat. The whole show.
Let me see.
The number one thing.
Just go home. And what's my brother's channel? What's the channel?
I'm actually starting a new gaming channel.
I might
But
start
I didn't post any videos yet. But when I post a video, I'll be in her vlogs to tell you it.
and he'll be in my vlog. You should go check out my sister Jay vlog. Sorry, Jay Bartholomew. All of our channels have Bartholomew in it, except one of his. He actually changed one of his channels. So yeah,
Listen, man, the top 8 days is
just
coming
like
up right
wanted
here
to
on 99 Jams.
Don't trust shit that messing with your dog. If you come up, don't forget about your dog.
Hello.
On the street, so it's
What
spot you going to? Davey?
don't try no shit that messing with your dog.
Yeah, I thought you said Tampa.
Come up, don't forget about your dog. On the street,
Oh, by Benny Hunter.
you broke, that should be a gift.
I actually like the song. I actually like the song style. I actually like
Cross
slowing
over.
down in here because it really tells my personality. So we're going home.
I eat that for lunch only.
No one finished. And I might do a video, I don't know, because like I'm going on the cruise. So I might go to the Bahamas anytime. But on my way there I'll try to post a video because and my trip to Boston. It's gonna be story time. I'm gonna start doing story time. And when my brother says dumb stuff, I'm like, and I say, what? When he says dumb stuff, I say.
It's one over there by Dover too. It's him.
So when I go to Bahamas, I'm not going to be able to post videos because while we're around the Atlantic Ocean, it's actually...
Girl, really?
It's called the video.
It's actually...
Sorry, Gino.
Yes, sorry, she talking. It's away.
Huh?
They didn't move up. So we're home. So I put all the windows up.